The corporate cash boom, why companies are holding record amounts of money. In an era defined by economic uncertainty, geopolitical tensions, and rapidly changing technology, companies around the world are making an unusual financial decision. They are holding more cash than ever before. From technology giants and multinational manufacturers to financial institutions and consumer brands, corporate balance sheets are swelling with billions of dollars in cash reserves. This trend is attracting growing attention from investors, economists, and policymakers because it offers insight into how business leaders view the future of the global economy. While large cash reserves can provide stability and flexibility, they may also signal caution about the future growth prospects. For much of the decade, low interest rates encouraged companies to invest aggressively. Businesses borrowed money cheaply to fund acquisition, expand operations, repurchase shares, and invest in new projects. Holding large amounts of cash was often viewed as inefficient because interest rates were near historic lows. The financial environment has changed significantly. Higher interest rates not allow companies to earn meaningful returns on cash holdings. At the same time, economic uncertainty has increased. Concerns about inflation, geopolitical conflicts, supply chain disruptions, and slowing growth have encouraged executives to adopt more cautious strategies. As a result, many corporations are choosing to strengthen their balance sheets rather than commit capital to long-term investments. This trend is particularly visible among large technology companies, which collectively hold hundreds of billions of dollars in cash and short-term investments. The artificial intelligence boom has contributed to this phenomenon. While companies are investing heavily in AI infrastructure, they are also maintaining substantial financial reserves to fund future opportunities. Executives recognize that technological change is occurring rapidly and want flexibility to respond to new developments. Cash reserves provide several advantages. Companies with strong balance sheets can continue investing during economic downturns, acquire competitors when valuations decline, and withstand unexpected disruptions. Financial strength can also improve credit ratings and reduce borrowing costs. Investors generally view healthy and cash positions positively, especially during uncertain periods. Businesses with significant liquidity are often perceived as more resilient than competitors operating with high levels of debt. This perception can support stock valuations and increase investor confidence. However, excessive cash accumulation can create challenges. Shareholders often prefer companies to deploy capital in ways that generate higher returns. If executives hold too much cash without clear plans for investment, investors may question whether the management is using resources efficiently. Some firms have responded by increasing share buyback programs and dividend payments. Returning cash to shareholders remains a popular strategy when attractive investment opportunities are limited. These programs can support stock prices and reward investors while remaining financial flexibility. Corporate mergers and acquisitions are another area influenced by raising cash reserves. Companies with strong balance sheets are often better positioned to pursue strategic acquisitions. As market conditions evolve, many analysts expect cash-rich firms to become increasingly active in acquiring competitors, technologies, and intellectual property. The healthcare and pharmaceutical sectors provide notable examples. Large firms frequently use cash reserves to acquire smaller companies developing innovative treatments and technologies. Similar trends are visible in software, cybersecurity, and semiconductor industries. Global supply chain disruptions have also changed corporate behavior. This pandemic expose vulnerabilities in highly optimized supply networks, prompting companies to reconsider risk management strategies. Many businesses now maintain large inventories and stronger liquidity positions to improve resilience. Geopolitical uncertainty represents another major factor. Ongoing tensions between major economies, trade disputes, sanctions, and regional conflicts have increased business risks. Corporate leaders recognize that unexpected events can rapidly affect operations, making financial flexibility increasingly valuable. The energy sector has experienced particularly dramatic changes. Higher commodity prices have generated significant cash flows for many producers. Rather than immediately increasing spending, several companies have prioritized strengthening balance sheets, reducing debt, and returning capital to the shareholders. Banks and financial institutions are also benefiting from higher interest rates. Improved profitability has strengthened capital positions across much of the sector, increasing the amount of the cash available for lending, investment, and shareholder distributions. Small and medium-sized businesses face a different reality. While large corporations often possess substantial reserves, smaller firms frequently operate with more limited financial flexibility. Rising borrowing costs have made access to capital more expensive, increasing the importance of cash management. The growing gap between large and small companies has become a concern for some economists. Businesses with strong balance sheets may gain competitive advantages by investing during downturns, while smaller competitors struggle to secure financing. Governments are closely monitoring corporate cash trends because businesses' investment plays a crucial role in economic growth. When companies accumulate cash rather than investing in new facilities, equipment, and workers, economic expansion can slow. At the same time, policymakers recognize that financial stability is valuable. Companies with healthy balance sheets are generally better prepared to navigate economic shocks, reducing the likelihood of bankruptcies and job losses during downturns. The rise of artificial intelligence may eventually encourage greater investment activity. Many executives believe AI will create significant opportunities for productivity improvements and new revenue streams. Large cash reserves provide the resources needed to pursue these initiatives. Technology infrastructure remains one of the most attractive investment areas. Data centers, cloud computing facilities, semiconductor manufacturing, and AI-related projects require enormous amounts of capital. Cash-rich companies are well positioned to participate in these opportunities. Environmental initiatives are creating additional investment demand. Businesses are allocating resources toward renewable energy projects, sustainability programs, and efforts to reduce carbon emissions. These investments often require long planning horizons and significant financial commitments. Currency fluctuations also influence corporate cash management. Multinational companies operating across multiple regions must manage exposure to changing exchange rates. Maintaining liquidity can help reduce financial risks associated with global operations.